United States. The United States has the largest economy in the world, with a GDP of around $27 trillion, as of recent estimates. It is a mixed service-based economy dominated by sectors like technology, finance, healthcare, and consumer markets. Its economic strength grew rapidly after World War II, making it a global financial leader. The US dollar is the world's main reserve currency used in international trade. Major companies and innovation hubs drive continuous growth. It matters because changes in the US economy affect global markets and investments. China. China has the second largest economy with a GDP of about $18 trillion today. It operates as a state-influenced mixed economy with strong manufacturing and export sectors. Rapid economic growth began after reforms by Deng Xiaoping in the late 20th century. China produces a large portion of the world's goods and is expanding into technology and infrastructure. Its domestic market is also growing quickly. It matters because China is central to global supply chains. Germany. Germany has the largest economy in Europe with a GDP of around $4.5 trillion. It follows a social market economy model focused on manufacturing and exports. Its industrial strength developed over time and strengthened after German reunification. Key sectors include automobiles, engineering, and chemicals. Germany is one of the world's top exporting nations. It matters because it drives economic activity across the European Union. Japan. Japan has a GDP of about $4.2 trillion and is one of the most advanced economies. It is a developed market economy focused on technology, robotics, and automobile production. After World War II, Japan rebuilt into a global industrial leader. It relies heavily on exports and innovation. The country also has a strong infrastructure and skilled workforce. Japan matters because it leads in high-quality manufacturing and technology. India. India has a GDP of around $3.7 trillion and is one of the fastest-growing major economies. It is a mixed economy with strong services, agriculture, and expanding manufacturing sectors. Economic reforms in 1991 under P.V. Narasimha Rao opened global markets. India has a large population which supports demand and labor supply. The digital economy and startups are growing rapidly. India matters because it is becoming a major global economic power. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom has a GDP of about $3.3 trillion and is mainly service-driven. It is one of the world's leading financial centers, especially in banking and insurance. Its economy shifted from industrial production to services over time. London plays a major role in global finance and trade. The UK also has strong creative and technology industries. It matters because of its influence on global financial systems. France. France has a GDP of around $3.0 trillion and a mixed economy with strong government involvement. It is known for aerospace, luxury goods, agriculture, and tourism. The country has a balance between public services and private enterprise. Tourism is a major contributor due to high global visitor numbers. France also has advanced infrastructure and industries. It matters because it is a key economic power in Europe. Italy. Italy has a GDP of about $2.2 trillion and a diversified economy. It is known for manufacturing, fashion, automobiles, and food industries. The economy includes many small and medium-sized businesses. Italy has strong exports in luxury and industrial goods. Tourism also plays an important role. It matters because it is one of Europe's largest economies. Brazil. Brazil has a GDP of around $2.1 trillion and is the largest economy in South America. It is a mixed economy with strong agriculture, mining, and services sectors. Brazil is a major exporter of commodities like soybeans, iron ore, and coffee. It also has a large domestic consumer market. Industrial development has grown over decades. It matters because it plays a major role in global food and resource supply. Canada. Canada has a GDP of about $2.1 trillion and a highly developed mixed economy. It is rich in natural resources like oil, minerals, and forests. The country also has strong banking and service sectors. Trade with the United States plays a major role in its economy. Canada has a high standard of living and stable financial system. It matters because it is a key resource supplier in developed economy.